So we have already discussed the Bernoulli's equation for ideal fluid considering the ideal conditions. Now let us go for the equation for Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. So Bernoulli's equation was derived on the assumption that the fluid is non-viscous and therefore frictionless. That was the ideal condition. But in reality, all fluids are viscous in nature and therefore they offer resistance to the flow. So it may be any fluid, it has some viscosity, and then they offer the resistance to flow. Therefore, because of the resistance offered by the fluid, because they are viscous, there will be some losses in the fluid flows. And here, the application of Bernoulli's equation in this particular real fluid case, we are considering the losses that takes place during the fluid flows. In case of the first case where we solved the equation for Bernoulli's equation, that was only for ideal condition, taking into consideration the ideal condition. So assuming that the fluid did not have viscosity and therefore did not offer resistance and they were frictionless. Now applying the equation for same equation here, you can see here at section 1 and section 2, P1 by rho g pressure head, V1 square by 2g velocity head, Z1 datum head is equal to P2 plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 plus HL. Now in the last case where we derived the equation for ideal fluids, so the equation was only till Z2, P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 square by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. We did not take into consideration the losses, but here we are taking into consideration the losses, that is HL. HL indicates the loss of energy that is taking place between section 1 and section 2. So this equation is called as Bernoulli's equation for real fluids, where we are taking into consideration the losses which are taking place between any two sections. Now we are taking section 1 and section 2 because of 1 and 2. The loss HL indicates the loss between section 1 and section 2. So this is called as Bernoulli's equation for real fluid, wherein we consider the losses which are taking place during the fluid flow, considering the viscosity aspect of the fluid. So this is called as the Bernoulli's equation for real fluids. Now let us solve a problem on this for a clear picture. A pipe of diameter 400 mm carries water at a velocity of 25 meter per second. The pressure at A and B are given as 29.43 Newton per centimeter square and 22.563 Newton per centimeter square respectively, while the datum head at A and B are 28 meters and 30 meters. Find the loss of head between A and B. We need to find out the loss of head, HL basically. Now this is the diagram. So this is section A and this section B. ZA indicates the datum of section, ZA indicates distance from the datum line of section A. ZB indicates the distance from the datum line from section B. This is the diagram, so which is in line with the problem. So now let us write down the given. So diameter of section A 400 mm, actually it should be 400 mm. So PA is equal to 29.43 Newton per centimeter square, ZA is equal to 28 mm. Similarly, so DB is equal to 400 mm. So yeah, so at section A and section B both it is a pipe of uniform diameter. So therefore DA is equal to DB. Both are having same diameters. PB is 22.563 Newton per centimeter square. Similarly ZB, the distance from the section B from the datum line is 30, as you can see here. ZA is 28. So then we'll take point A. At point A, PA is equal to 29.43 Newton per centimeter square. Convert that into in the SI units, then ZA is equal to 28 meter and VA is equal to V is equal to 25 meter per second. That is the velocity of flow. Then we will go for the next one. Total energy at A. Total energy at A is EA is equal to PA by rho G plus VA square by 2G plus ZA. So substituting the values, we know all the values. It is given the problem. Substituting these values, you'll get the energy, total energy at section A is 89.85 meter. Similarly, at section B, so PB is given, convert that into SI units. So ZB is 30. So distance of the section B from the datum. Then VB is equal to V because velocity is uniform throughout. So VB is equal to V is equal to VA. Both are same, is equal to 25 meter per second. So total energy at B is equal to, from this equation, get 84.85. So therefore loss of head is what? So EA minus EB. So total loss of energy between the section 2, section 1 and section 2, here A and B is, that is HL is equal to EA minus EB. EA is 89.85 minus 84.85. The loss of head is 5 meters. So this is the loss which is occurring whenever a fluid is flowing with a velocity of 25 meter per second of a pipe having diameter 400 mm. So therefore the loss of head is 5 meters. So this is the problem for real fluid where the losses are taken into consideration between the two sections.